change my mind. What am I left to do? Everything I say gets back to you. Every single day I'm asked to prove that I'm valuable, but you're acting new. Now I'm trying to get to you. I don't wanna know if he's next to you. Think of all the things that he gets to do, but he's in my shoes and you know it's true. You can't take me on, babe. We can't ease the tension. Anything you say, girl, I don't have to question. You can't take me on.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today is Chinese New Year's Eve, and in other words, 春节快乐, you guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Right now is 2 to 3 o'clock, and I'm about to go to Zhuan Ai's house and 过年 and celebrate the Lunar New Year. So that's what this vlog is. So yeah, I'm really excited. This is like one of the big reasons why I wanted to come to China, is to celebrate Chinese New Year in China. And yeah, so I'm really excited. I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do. I know there's gonna be lots and lots of good food for sure, and lots of decorations and stuff. And when me and my roommate reunite, we're gonna go to see like lanterns and go to this little festival thing. So yeah, I'm really excited. But let's go.
I hit a new low and stumbled on gold. I want it right now for taking it slow. Never held me down, you dipped in it so. Unlucky for you, I won't let it go. Bitch, you fought with a petty king. I don't do forgiving for a lot of things.
I arrived. I'm walking to their house, but there was like Chinese New Year decorations in front of their gate, and it was so pretty. So we just finished chatting, catching up. We're gonna make dumplings because that's just tradition for Chinese New Year. So we're gonna make dumplings and then a bunch of like lovely other dishes. Oh my god, there's a bug. I got it. Guys, so we were just talking, catching up. We're gonna make dumplings just because it's tradition to eat dumplings over the holidays. So yeah, we're gonna make our own, and we're gonna have a bunch of like other dishes, and I'm excited, really excited. So yeah.
Yeah, why would you build your four walls up, then push away the people that pulled strings to place you where you are now? I bet you still don't give a fuck. Your reputation's ruined. Rest your head, you haven't figured this out at all. Freaking out over complications and admiration to be somebody that you've seen on a screen. And you gotta be kidding.
say Happy New Year, 新年快乐 to all of you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I wish you guys all the best for this new year, the year of the rabbit, as you guys may or may not know. A tradition is just to watch the 春节晚会, which is like this like performance show. I don't know how to explain it. It's just like a Lunar New Year show that basically everyone watches, whether they like it or not. Like people will just play it on the TV and talk to friends and families. Like it's just something you just put on, you know? And yeah, so we were just watching that. It was really nice. It's been so long since I like watched it in China, and it's like, I don't know, it feels like home in a way. But yeah, I'm so excited for this new year and what it has in store for me, and I hope you guys are excited too. It is kind of late. Well, it's not actually late, but I'm getting old, so I'm getting tired. So I'm gonna get ready for bed. I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's like fireworks going off. Super loud, by the way. So in China, you're not actually allowed to like have fireworks. Like I believe in this neighborhood, they told the residents that you're not allowed to have them and like put them off, but people still did it, and firefighters came. Luckily, like everything was fine, but yeah, people are still putting it on, and it's crazy, but it's nice, I guess. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. 新年快乐. I just had breakfast. We had dumplings. It was like a brunch. So I had dumplings that we made yesterday, and then we're having a really big dinner today. So we're gonna make our own spring rolls. We're gonna have shrimp. There's bao fan, which I don't know how to explain it to you. It's like 8 treasure rice, and it's so good. It's a dessert. And then we have niangao, which is rice cakes. And then we have something else. I forgot what, but I'm excited. And yeah, today we're just gonna stay in, make food, and enjoy. Anyways, I'll let you guys know when we start cooking. So yeah. Hey guys, it is a lot later. It's like, I think around 5 p.m. and I took a nap, like a 2 to 3 hour nap, and then we had some ice cream, and then we watched a movie. We didn't really quite finish because we didn't really like the movie, but I enjoyed it. I really liked it. And now we are gonna get dinner ready. We're gonna make spring rolls. So we're gonna make our own spring rolls, which I'm very excited for. I never made it before. I am very hopeful though. And then we're gonna have a bunch of like other amazing dishes. So yeah, I'll let you guys know when we make spring rolls.
Into the place, I spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face.
Guys, the food smells amazing. Like the niangao and the chunjuan, so good. Hey guys, so I forgot to do an outro, but this dinner was so good. The spring roll, amazing. Then she made like these tiger prawns, delicious, and then she made like the niangao with like roe and cai, and it was like so good. I really miss her cooking. Yeah, overall, like it was so nice to be back in China celebrating Chinese New Year. Like I am so glad I crossed this off my bucket list. It's been so long. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you guys had an amazing year so far. Anyways, if you guys liked it, please like and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see in future videos, and yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye, love you.